In this video, I'll be showing you the historical module on the One Network platform. If you have subscribed to the historical module, you will have access to it on all the modules you have subscribed to. Okay, so let's get started. To access the historical module, make sure you're logged into your One Network account. So the page is loaded and it is loaded on the traffic management module. For this example, I'm going to be using the public map. So remember, you can switch to another module by clicking on the 9 dots and selecting the module from the drop-down list. To access the historical modes, simply click on the drop-down arrow and select last 2 weeks, or you can click on the calendar picker and select a custom date range. Once the date range is selected, the map will automatically update and works and traffic management plans that occurred during the selected time period will appear on your map. So I'm going to zoom in on the map to show you some works that occurred during the selected date range. It is important to note that works and traffic management plans will display regardless of their start and end date, as long as they were happening for any portion of the time during the selected date range. So what I'm going to do now is change the date range to look back at an entire year. When the page loads, you will see all the works appear from the time period selected and see just how busy the map becomes. So with the historical mode, you do have access to lots of historical data, and in actual fact, you can look back at over 7 years worth of data in most areas of the country. This can be really helpful if you are dealing with information requests around incidents, as you'll be able to look back to see who was completing works during that time. So that brings us to the end of the video. I do hope you found it useful. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us on support@one.network and we'll get back to you as soon as possible with an answer to your question.